Hi, my name is Arshpreet and I'm currently pursuing BBA from Stanley Memorial College. I choose digital marketing for growing my social media marketing page. I should know how to run ads. So that's why I found out about digital marketing. And about JSDM, I found out it about from my friend, and he's currently doing internship here in JSDM. The environment here is totally chill, and the teachers are very helping in nature, especially in website. I was learning about making website, and the teacher was very helping in nature, and he taught me very helpful things about WordPress. After my course is completed, I am pursuing for internships, and after my college is completed, I'm open for jobs.